Friends are the siblings God never gave us. Friendship is one mind in two bodies. Kindly words do not enter so deeply into men as a reputation for kindness. Only when a man will not do some things is he capable of doing great things. He who attends to his greater self becomes a great man, and he who attends to his smaller self becomes a small man. Evil exists to glorify the good. Evil is negative good. It is a relative term. Evil can be transmuted into good. What is evil to one at one time, becomes good at another time to somebody else. Truth uttered before its time is always dangerous. Every duty is a charge, but the charge of oneself is the root of all others. Friendship with a man is friendship with his virtue. A trail through the mountains, if used, becomes a path in a short time, but, if unused, becomes blocked by grass in an equally short time. Mankind fears an evil man, but heaven does not. If Confucius wasn't born, the long night would have no bright lamp. Let not a man do what his sense of right bids him not to do, nor desire what it forbids him to desire. This is sufficient. The skillful artist will not alter his measures for the sake of a stupid workman. Without effective protection of the citizen's right to property, it will be difficult to attract and accumulate valuable capital. The great man is he who does not lose his child's heart. The people are the most important element in a nation, the spirits of the land and grain are the next, the sovereign is the least. Sincerity is the way to heaven. I like fish, and I also like bear's paws. If I cannot have the two together, I will let the fish go, and take the bear's paws. So, I like life, and I also like righteousness. If I cannot keep the two together, I will let life go, and choose righteousness. If the king loves music, there is little wrong in the land. The root of the kingdom is in the state. The root of the state is in the family. The root of the family is in the person of its head. There is no greater delight than to be conscious of sincerity on self-examination. It is not difficult to govern. All one has to do is not to offend the noble families. Let men decide firmly what they will not do, and they will be free to do vigorously what they ought to do. Secure property in hand leads to peace in mind. People can have a long-term life plan only if they know their private property is secure.